Hello guys, welcome to Pursuit of Physics channel, and in this video we'll discuss about UPSC Geophysics paper 2021 and I categorize all the 120 question in different section as per mentioned in syllabus: solid earth, mathematical method, mechanics, electromagnetic theory, geophysical prospecting, remote sensing and nuclear. And all the topic will be discussed in separate video. Like the solid earth question, almost 26 question are, and mathematical method 16, and mechanics syllabus also inside the in mathematical method. If you see that mathematical method in geophysics, the mechanics portion is inside it, means conventional mechanics syllabus is inside it. So I'll consider it as a mechanics, separate mechanics portion, not in mathematical methods. And if you combine that 16 plus 14, then 30 question asked from the mathematical method, and it is extremely important. And another thing, that I am not claiming all 120 question is correct. If I did any mistake, please comment and I will appreciate your comment. And in this way we can learn from both way, bidirectional way, from your side, from my side. So that's our motto, and let's start. First question is partial differential equation question, and so there is given as u equal to cos at and sin bx. If you partial derivative, so twice, so you get, so del u del 2 you get a square by c square equal to del u del x. If you partial derivative equal to b, so answer is D. Next is divergence of phi a if grad phi dot a plus divergence dot a phi. So this is formula, and if you put here, you got the 3 plus n r to the power n. So here r to the power n here, and r vector is a vector. So if you put here, so you got grad r to the power n dot r. So this will give you, so n 3 plus n r to the power n. So D will be answer. So given that the two forces are given and the displacement is given, calculate that work done. So work done equal to, so F equal to F1 plus F2 and work done equal to F dot dr. If you did that, you got 87. So next, the eigenvalue of the matrix. So eigenvalue a minus lambda, if you can find it, got the 2 root 2 and minus 2. So D option is the correct. And there is the next question is the 4 cross 4 diagonal matrix. To find the determinant of the 4 cross 4 diagonal matrix. So this question is 27. Whatever, I will upload all these things in my Telegram channel. So you can collect it, all the category wise distribution of the question. So 4 cross 4 matrix, so determinant is the, if it is diagonal, so you will just multiplication of the diagonal term. So this is the give you determinant. So here diagonal term is given that 1 cross 2 cross 4 into minus 6. Whatever given is minus 48. This is the determinant. And next question is that this is the over determinant or determinant question. This is geophysical inversion. If you know that, so yn equal to g into xm. So here n equal to 5 and m equal to also 5. N equal to m, then it is the exactly determined, and if n greater than m, then it is over determined, and if n less than m, then it is the underdetermined. So here is the n equal to m, so you can find the exactly determinant. So next question about that, what is the following true sequence of the random number will generate in digital component? Which of the following true for the sequence of the random number generated by digital computer? So digital computer is always programmable. So this question I have doubt, I don't know, means I am not sure, but I will keep my logic. So digital computer, they are already programmed, so it can't generate the truly random number. You are already programmed, so that's why it will repeat itself eventually. So this will be most probable answer. So next question is, this is the Poisson distribution question. So here is given by that 40 mosquito larvae from this. So 2 liter water content 40 and 100 ml content. So this will give you lambda. So lambda equal to 100 ml content 40 into 2 liter means 2000 into 100. So it will give 2 to lambda equal to 2. So from the Poisson distribution, so that is any mosquito, Poisson distribution for 0 mosquito larva, for 0 we will get from Poisson equation e to the power minus lambda to the power minus 2. It will give almost 0.13. And if you, when this question is asking that any means in our sample whatever we collected there is no mosquito larva, so we have to minus 1 minus 0.135, so it will give 86.5. so this will be answer, D will be answer. The probability that the 100 ml sample has any mosquito, so we're asking is the any mosquito means it can be 1 2 3 mean any, not 0. That is for 0 we got here. So next problem also probability from probability distribution. So there is a 6 cup, number 1 2 3 and 4 6. There is and 3 red ball and 1 blue ball. And how many different way we can fill the all 4 marble? We'll feel that we have 6 cup, can takes for red ball we can 6C3, and we have left 3 cup, okay, 3C1. so if you did it, so you will get 60. And next question is asking about the regular singular point. So regular singular point, under singular point find it if this equal to 0, 1 minus x square equal to 0, so x equal to plus minus 1, and also infinity also one of the singular, so option C will be correct. Next question is asking about that an observer is measured. This is the put in mechanics also, so this question I will discuss in mechanics. So next question is about that what value of the following integral of the Simpson 1/3 rule. So Simpson, if you did in Simpson 1/3 rule, so Simpson 1/3 rule formula is the h/3, the first and last, and the 2 into 4 into odd one and 2 into even. So here h equal to is given that means there is 4 step and 1 to 4, so is equal to 1, it is y0, and odd means y1 plus y3 and y5, all these things. And here n equal to 4, so y4, n equal to 4. So if you put all this value and y equal to 1 by x plus 2, so if you put x equal to 1, if you got y0, and if you put that x equal to 5, then we got y4, and all these value got, and if you add it, so you will got answer A. You will get answer A. And next question is which one of the following numerical method for solving ordinary differential equation gives solution in form of series. So series solution only gives the Taylor method. So Taylor series method is the. And next question is that which one of the following expression correctly describe the force forward difference. Force forward difference, it will option C. So force forward difference, if you see that. So I will discuss in difference method in one separate video. So it can't be discussed here. Will be the possible partial differential equation responsible for solution of the. So this is the just wave equation solution. Put it, mark it, whatever the wave equation. So next question is that which one of the following statement is true Laplacian and Laplace operator. So Laplace operator, it is the del square phi. Okay, del means it is the divergence of grad phi. So this option is the V. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. And this is our channel. You got all the section wise video from previous year paper solution, and also we'll upload the GS paper also.